Hey everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have my polish pickup from September to share with you. I got quite a bit of stuff this time in this order. There was just a bunch of stuff I wanted. Usually I try to just get like maybe 4 things, try not to spend too much because it is in US dollars. So for me it's quite a bit more because I pay in Canadian. But anyways, so I'm going to share with you everything that I got in my September polish pickup order. So I'm just going to kind of dump everything out and show you all the stuff. I think this is probably my biggest order from them, I think. I went all out this time. Alright, I think that is everything. Alright, let's see. Let's start with this one here. So this is called, let me zoom you in. This is the Nail Diva. It's a polish remover clip, and basically you just put your cotton ball in the middle of it. I'm just reading the instructions. So this is from, I don't know what, I think it is the brand. Yeah, it's just Nail Diva polish remover tool. And then when you pull it out, it's kind of like a little clip. I do have like the one from, I think it was Sally Beauty, this like long pink one that has like a claw. And then I have those silver ones from like Born Pretty store, but I don't really like those ones because they tend to scratch your plates. But this basically, you put a cotton ball, which I don't actually use cotton balls, but I use the cotton rounds, but you put that in there. I'm hoping it works as well with these, or I'll have to get cotton balls. And then you just either use it to like wipe your nail or use it to wipe your stamping plates, which is what I use it for mostly. But yeah, I think that it will be pretty good because it's pretty sturdy, has a really good clip to it, and I think it will work with the cotton rounds too. So there we go. That is the Nail Diva nail polish remover tool. I think you could get this in the October polish pickup too, because I couldn't remember what I ordered in the September one, and I was on to the October one, and I was like, I remember wanting that, but I don't remember if I got it. But I ended up looking back and I did. So but I think it was in both orders, so that's pretty cool. I did not get 2 though. Anyways, let's move on to a nail polish. This one is from Painted Polish. I absolutely love this brand. This one is called Frog Choir Fright, and it is a beautiful like green to like teal flaky polish. I just, you know, if you follow me, you know that I'm a sucker for these flaky polishes. I probably have too many. Mostly them are from this particular brand, from Polish or Painted Polish. But I love this. This is gorgeous. And they also have their new logo on this one. I think this is my first polish from them with the new logo, so that's pretty cool. Alright, let's see what's next. Got another thank you sticker, which, oh yeah, this is the other one. So I can't remember. This was like a Halloween theme, I think. But the second one I got here, again, is from Painted Polish, and it has that green turquoisey, like goldy bronze flake in it, and this one is called Honeyduke's Hunt. And she had 2 polishes. I think every brand had like 2 products for this one. But yeah, that is really nice. I like the grays for some reason. I have a bunch of these grays with the flakies, and I just keep getting more because, you know, they are really nice. Anyway, so that is another one I got. Let's see what we got next. Go into this one. I can open it. This one is from, oh, this is the Fair Maiden one. This one is called Halloween is Meowgical. And of course I had to get this one because, you know, I like cats. But I thought it was a really pretty color, and I liked the shimmer in it. I think it's going to be really nice. It's kind of like a pink, and it's almost got like a goldy, orangey kind of shimmer to it, and lots of sparkle, so that's really nice. Alright, see what we got next. I never know how to say this one. This is my second polish from this particular brand. I don't know how to say it, but this they always include a sticker. So I think I have 2 of these stickers, which is kind of cool. But this is the sticky base coat. I don't have a sticky base coat. I realized I had one like a long time ago, but I was reading a bunch of nail blogs that are Facebooks I follow, and people always recommend sticky base coats for doing stamping, and I forgot about that for some reason. But yeah, anyways, I usually just do a regular top coat, but I'm definitely going to try this for stamping. So basically you do all your polish and then you put your base coat or this on top, and then I think you stamp, and then the stamp should pick up better for reverse stamping. So we're going to try that. I think that's what it said anyways. But it also keeps your nail polish on longer because it's got a stickier base, but we'll see how that one works. And then I got this really cool keychain from Demiflux. It's a Ouija cat, and it was like a surprise. You didn't know which one you were going to get, so I was definitely interested. So let's see. Oh, I got the cat one. Isn't it cute? Like, I love the the hollow and the shimmer, and then it has a really cute little cat carabiner too. So, you know, like I said, if you follow me, you also know that I like cats, and I have an orange tabby cat, but I thought this was really neat, and it's very unique. There was a bunch of different ones, and I was hoping, I think there was like 2 different cat ones, but I really wanted the cat one. So there we go. I got the cat one. But yeah, I've never heard of this brand until I think this polish pickup, but I think it's really cool. I like it a lot. Alright, moving on. This one is a top coat nail stamping. Don't smudge the drawing. Let's see. They also included a little Halloween thing too. That's cute. From Apela Cosmetics. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. But yeah, so this says how do you use this? It says apply on your stamped and wait to dry, then apply your favorite top coat to protect your nail design for longer composition. So it is a nail stamping polish for to prevent smudging, so that's always good. I wanted to try one of these because I have one from Moo London and I like that one, but I wanted to try this one too because sometimes you never know, you might find an even better one. And I like that this one is 5 free as well. Alright, last ones that I got. I am missing one, but I've already contacted them. They're going to be sending me the Polish for Days one. I'm missing that one. That was actually the reason why I ordered for this polish pickup, because I wanted the Polish for Days Hitchhiking Ghosts. But anyways, opening up this, and I had to get some more Glisten and Glow polishes, so I have 2 here. I've got the top coat, the fast drying one. I really like this. I have a bunch of these. Works pretty well. And I love the finish of it. Your nails just look so smooth and shiny, and yeah, I really like this. And then I got this one here, and this is the glitter grabber. It's supposed to make glitter polishes smoother and not so chunky when you feel your nails, so thought that was pretty interesting. But yeah, so that is everything that I got in this bag. When I do receive the Polish for Days ones, maybe I'll just share on my Instagram at Allie's blog, so you can check it out. I always try to get the paint Polish for Days ones because they're always gorgeous. But anyway, so that is everything for today. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.